Before conducting the experiment, we first weigh the combustion cup. After the incendiary bulb is weighed, we sample. Generally, you can take about 1 gram of sample. There are 2 pins here that we connect to the sensor, red to red. Tighten the black to blue pins, tighten. Here we choose to plug in the power supply. Here is the switch of the instrument. This is the air outlet for oxygen. This is the nitrogen contact hole. This is the air outlet of our instrument. If you plug it in, unscrew it first, and then insert it into this tube. Stuff the tube in. Tighten the screws. Put the just connected sensor, stuffed into the small hole of the rubber plug, and the just connected air outlet. The outlet pipe is inserted into a small glass tube, and then a little glass tube goes into this rubber plug. Put the rubber stopper just connected, plug into the right side of the quartz tube. Plug tightly, pay attention to the sensor, don't touch the glass tube. Meet the left side of the vaginal canal, we plug in another exhaust pipe. The connection method is the same as the trachea on the right. The trachea on the left, we're going to the window for exhaust. After the instrument is turned on, we remove the left rubber plug of the quartz tube. Put the sample just now on this. We go from the exhaust port. We push the sample in. Try to put the burning bulb in the middle. After we put it away, we put the rubber stopper back. Close the lid. So now we're going to turn the gas on. The air pressure can be screwed to about 0.2. The same goes for oxygen cylinders. Gas we choose nitrogen first. Adjusting airflow meter. Screw to about 20. The parameters in the experiment we only set in the first stage. We will not set it up in the later 2345 stage. Set the parameter to 0. In the first stage, we set the temperature to 550 degrees Celsius. Click OK. Then click rate. We set the heating rate to 20 degrees centigrade per minute. Click time. We usually set the constant temperature time to 30 minutes. 2345. Remain settling. After the parameters are set, fan on nitrogen for about 5 minutes. We can start the experiment. Click to run. Then wait for the instrument to automatically end. Wait until the experiment is over. When the temperature drops to 300 or 400 degrees, we can open the top cover of the device to cool down. Wait until the temperature drops to around room temperature. We can take out samples. It's the same as taking the sample. Tools must be used. Can't hold by hand. Prevent burns. After taking out the sample, we weigh them a third time. After weighing, put the sample in. Reinsert the rubber stopper. We cover the instrument. Proceed to the next stage of temperature setting. We select oxygen to go in 550 degrees centigrade. We can change it to 650 degrees centigrade or 750 degrees centigrade. The heating rate and constant temperature time remain unchanged. Select the oxygen channel. We can proceed to next time in 30 minutes. Click to run. Wait for this experiment to end. After the temperature drops to 300 or 400 degrees Celsius, you can open the upper cover again to cool down. The temperature drops to about room temperature. We take out the sample. To the last weighing, wait until the experiment is over. We point to the carbon black content calculation. There are 4 masses here. MMO in 1 and 2. N2 is the mass of the burning buds. M1 is the mass of the sample. M1 is the mass after combustion at 550 degrees centigrade in the first stage. M2 is the mass of the last stage of combustion. Click M. We first enter the mass of the burning butt. Click MO to enter the quality of the sample. Click on M1 and enter the mass after the first burn. Click on M2 and we enter the last weight mass. After the input is completed, we click to calculate. You can get the carbon black content and ash content as a percentage.